Yeah, so our mortgage division was awarded with an award last year at the Canadian Mortgage Awards. It was a really fun experience. I thought about this line when I was on the table and I said, your business is a reflection of you. You're not supposed to be a reflection of your business. So what that means for me is, don't let your business run you down. Run an honest business. It's a long-term game. And I love all of you guys. Enjoy it, guys. Thank you very much. It's important when you're building a business to let as many people know as possible your achievements, your wins, and you gotta like scream them at the top of the mountain. And whatever they are, as small as they are, as big as they are, you gotta let everyone know. So we're pretty good at marketing what we're doing here, and awards and recognitions is just one part of it. So being recognized across Canada, specifically our mortgage division, for the diverse services that we offer clients is huge for us. And now tomorrow, we're back at it again. Same award we're finalists for, so I'm hoping to bring that home back to back. And I'm also up for an individual award for Young Gun of the Year. And it's pretty cool, the award ceremony was fantastic last year. There was like 500, 600 people in attendance, and that was great. And then this year, it kind of sucks because of COVID. They had to shift everything virtual. So the award ceremony is still taking place virtually. So that'll be my first ever award ceremony that's virtual. So I'm excited to see how it goes. I met a really big lender at the CMAs, and actually two of them. So the first one is a big lender. They do all kinds of mortgages, AAA, which is the best of the best interest rates, best terms and conditions. B lenders, they're more flexible. And yeah, so I met them there. I met the president there. I had a meeting with him afterwards as a result of that. And it was because I won the award, and they had won an award that night too, that gave me that credibility. Also, I met one of the best, if not the best, commercial mortgage brokers in the industry here in Canada. He also won an award that night, and we had an introduction made by another person that we both know, a mutual friend. And I've done my biggest deal, which is almost $100 million. One mortgage, $100 million because of meeting that person, connecting with him, and then finding out that there's good synergy there. And one of my developers who's building a condo project, and two of them actually, we got them the financing for those deals. And myself and this other gentleman who I met at the award ceremony, we did that deal. It was just shy of $100 million. So I would have never met him if not for that award ceremony.
What would it mean to you if you won an award or two tomorrow?
Oh man, it's bragging rights. No, it just means a lot when your hard work goes noticed. That's really what it's all about for me. Of course, I'm very competitive. I like to win, but at the same time, it's like we work so hard each and every day for our clients, and getting recognized for that by a third-party company, because we're completely independently owned, is a big deal for me. It means a lot to me. I really do sincerely appreciate that. I'm very grateful for that. So I need to win one tomorrow. We got this.
The silver winner is DLC Blue Tree.
It's okay, we got gold. We got gold.
We got gold.
Perfect. Gold.
And congratulations to the gold winner, Millennial.
Thank you to everybody who's contributed to our success. We're very excited to be bringing home another little brother and sister for the award we won last year. Stay in good spirits and good health, and we'll see you soon.